Welcome to the universe of COSMETIC Factory, the PLM software solution that supports all stages of cosmetic product creation, from the marketing brief to international marketing. Let's focus on Formula Check, COSMETIC Factory's partner powered by artificial intelligence, which is revolutionizing cosmetic compliance. You're entering a new market and want to check the compliance of your formula? Nothing could be easier. You enter your formula in the software, launch the verification, and see at a glance if it is compliant with each of the regulations of your target markets, as well as with your own blacklists. Your formula isn't compliant in one of your markets? Formula Check displays the problematic ingredients and explains which point of the regulation or blacklist isn't being complied with. Here, phenoxyethanol is above the regulatory concentration threshold. All you have to do is adjust your formula accordingly. No more endless back and forth with the regulatory department in the middle of a formulation phase. The intelligent and omniscient Formula Check guide you through this great regulatory maze. With COSMETIC Factory, you can optimize the time it takes to create and bring your formulas to market.